Okay, so it's Easter Sunday, and I have no idea what we're going to have for dinner. So what happened was, here I am in my kitchen trying to figure out what we're eating, because Aaron went to Costco, my husband Aaron, and he went very late. And of course, we know during this COVID-19 situation, they're only letting so many people in the door. And so he got in super late and wasn't able to get very many things. So we have really very little to make Easter dinner. So I'm just figuring it out now. Come along with me and we're gonna figure this out together. Okay, so I remembered that I have some flour. I had some flour in my pantry, and I feel like, you know, if I start with dessert, dessert always feels really special. So I'm gonna make a pie because I love pie. Pie is my favorite, and when I make pie, it's a special occasion. So I think I have some canned fruit, maybe some like cherries or something, or I could look to see, let me see if I have it. Okay, the thing that I always forget is I have stuff for pie, like butter that you need, but it's frozen. So I've got to take this and defrost it before I make the crust. Okay, I have some potatoes, and it looks like this one's not very good, but I think I can make some potatoes with, let's see, I've got some cream cheese in here, so I can add some cream cheese and onion. I have a little onion here. I can throw some other cheese in there. No, I think cream cheese and onion is probably good, and I can make it into like a fluffy souffle with eggs. It's a beautiful day. Okay, let's check this quiche. What's going on with that?